The difference between a nice driver and a #1 show car is the quality of work you do on it. I've always liked old cars. Back when I was in high school, I needed a car to get to work, and I bought an old car and fixed it up so it was drivable. And through high school and what have you, I had hot rodded a few, and then got some nicer cars, and then later years after the family was gone from home, I decided I want to get back into doing something for activity rather than just sit around and twiddle my thumbs and keep me busy, and we got back into the antique cars. I bought the 34. Basically, I was going to fix it up just for a driver and to tool around with, and I kind of got carried away and ended up with a #1 show car out of it. And the difference between a nice driver and a #1 show car is the quality of work you do on it. I mean, I could have repainted it, put a new interior in it, got it running good, and drove it as a driver. But as I got into things, I was finding more and more wrong with it. So finally, I just tore it totally apart, every part and piece, and everything apart on it, and just completely refinished each piece, you know, as near perfect and correct as I could possibly do. So then we got into showing cars. We belonged to VCCA, Vintage Chevrolet Club of America, and AACA, the Automobile Club of America. And their judging is all done against points. There's so many points you started, like VCCA, they start out with 1,000 points. And there's usually 4 judges, and there's the interior, the exterior, the motor, and the chassis. And there's certain things they look for to be right or wrong, and mark you down accordingly from that. You can have more than one first in each class. You have to be within a certain amount of points to get there. Well, the car behind me is 1936 half-ton panel truck, Chevrolet. And when I purchased this, I was to a swap meet, and I was actually looking for parts for my 34. And I got talking to this guy, because a lot of the parts, they look alike. And he got telling me about this panel truck, and I just, well, that'd be something unique and rare. You know, I'd like to see what it was and possibly purchase it. Well, I went to look at it, and it was actually a pile of parts. He had it totally tore apart. You couldn't even tell what it looked like. And he showed me a picture of what a 36 half-ton panel truck would look like, which I thought, yeah, that'd be a neat car to do. In the process of looking for parts, I looked for parts for that for 14 years before I started putting it together. And I found 4 other ones, all junkyard parts, nothing what was drivable or runnable or anything. And I just kept looking for parts and kept collecting and collecting until I finally felt I had what it would take to put one good car together. One of the unique things about this truck, it originally was Pennsylvania Internal Revenue truck. And it has a plaque on the firewall that says that. So that makes it kind of a unique truck too. The Corvette is a 58. It's kind of a unique car. It was a basket case when I bought it. When you say a basket case, totally tore apart. But it's Panama yellow. The combination of the color, the motor combination, and the year, there was only like 150 of them built in that particular color and engine, and it's a pretty rare car too. When we built this house, we built it as figuring as our retirement home. We'd built 7 other homes, but at the time we were into the antique cars, and people wanted to come over and see my cars. And you know, in the wintertime, they'd be out in an old coal pole building. You'd go out and uncover them, look at them quick, come back in. And we decided, well, let's do it where we could build a home where we could actually put the cars in the basement and keep them climate controlled. And we wanted a room in the basement with the cars we could call like a family room or something. And so we decided it would be kind of neat to do a 50 soda fountain in part of the basement and the cars in the rest of the basement. And that way you can come down to see the cars and you can enjoy the soda fountain. And it's completely working facility. So the way I happened to get the soda fountain stuff was a friend of mine from Houghton Lake called and said in Roscommon they were selling out a hobby shop with a soda fountain to the walls. So I bought the whole thing and it just fit right into our plans. When I was in Boy Scouts, we used to go up to Roscommon and we'd been in that soda fountain, and actually back in the early 50s had sodas and everything at that counter. So we knew it from way back then. This is my current project I'm working on. It's a 1919 490 Chevy touring car. I bought the car in Kentucky about 3 years ago at an auction sale. It has only 800 original miles on it. The body is basically done, the engine is done. The rest of the running gear I have to do yet. My goal to get it done is for July 2011 for the 100th anniversary of Chevrolet. I think what I get out of it as much as anything is starting out with something that is fair shape, or something like the 36 truck was pile of junk, and developing it into it's a piece of art.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And make sure to click that bell icon to stay notified when we upload new content. Videos like this are only possible because of viewers like you. To help support this channel, click on the link in the description below. We'll see you next time.